再来看美国密西西比州有一台拖拉库，这顶管有载实验室的高山啊，也毋过咧，这台车说出车祸冰车，大部分的高山啊死去，所有3只走出去。警方原本是警告民众讲，这狗有带病毒，也毋过后来咧，研究单位有出来驳回讲，这高山啊无带传染病。
伫草坡内面的这只狗，目睭紧紧死过相，因为伊本来被关伫咧大卡车的车厢内，怎么煞伫野外。
We are live in Jasper County at I-59 around mile marker 117 with a wreck that has exotic animals loose. Law enforcement with guns here.
警方讲一开始就是讲，除了这只狗以外，其他逃走的狗拢已经死啊。也毋过尾啊发现的声明，讲清点了，还佫有3只找无。
When I arrived on the scene today, people wearing white coats, gloves, and hairnets and other protective gear were looking around into the woods and on the side of the highway.
一台大卡车发生车祸冰车，车内车厢也甲规死过，顶头搭着活体动物的牌子。逃走的动物是杏核狗，一般的体重是7公斤，是全世界用伫咧医学研究用途上最动物之一。
The monkeys were research animals that at one point had been held at Tulane University in New Orleans. The university said it no longer owns those animals and it also was not transporting them, but the university did send a team of animal care experts to the scene, said that the animals were not infectious.
警方讲，因一开始接到报案时阵，卡车司机是讲这款狗有危险性，若被处理就要请防护装备。 所以，伫车祸发生了第一时间，新闻报道就讲，这款狗身躯顶有包括水管，还有新冠等病毒。不过，杜兰大厦澄清讲，这款狗并无接触过任何传染性病原体。因若车顶本来载偌侪只狗，狗的所有权利是谁人，未知其倒位是谁人负责，还有卡车并且的原因，怎么拢也搁伫咧调查。公司新闻黄文玲编写。